felt so nice.
So we base all of our adjustments on the x-ray listings, and we put our listings up on the screen so any doctor who's adjusting them knows exactly what we're adjusting. So we see his left leg is short, and that makes sense because on his x-rays, this pelvis is going like this, it's pulling up that leg. So we will, is that tender right there? All right, so I'm gonna have you lay on your side towards me, right here. Take the SI joint, bring it up this way. Ready? Roll it. One more. Bring this up. Good, right there.
It felt so nice.
Okay, face down on your belly. All right, that one's coming down.
That was insane.
Does that feel different?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
It's gone.
Nice.
I will say there's still like the shoulder tension type stuff, but.
Okay. On Shaun's x-rays, his lumbar spine is going off like this a little bit. In this office, our goal is we're going to try to bring it back this way. So I'm going to use drops. Is that tender right there at all or no?
It just hurts kind of.
Okay. So I'm going to use the drop table. Right here, I'm going to bring it over. One more. Right there, I'll do a couple more drops. That's still tender or no?
Not as much, no.
Nice. Joint fixation causes inflammation in the joint. So that's why sometimes it's tender. When we push on it, then after the adjustment, can help decrease that inflammation in the area. So that's why we check after, even if it doesn't make a noise. Right there. Yeah, it's a little something. Right there. Move it this way. Just move the ribs a little bit. All that. Good. On your back. All right, with this.
Yeah, my neck's been rough. When I was on my trip, I had to look up at like a screen at like a 45+ degree angle, and it was, it was. I left early one day. I was like, no, my neck's too bad.
Gosh. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
So a little extension right here. And this one we have the extension, and on x-ray is you have a little bit of this going on. So we're going to do an adjustment this way with an extension. Is that tender there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is that better there?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
It's gone completely.
Nice. Get that spinal reset after your long trip. Perfect.
Awesome. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.